Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add payments method on WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will need to go to your admin panel. After that, we need to go to WooCommerce plugin here or settings. By clicking on settings, we will need simply to go to payments. So as you can see now, we have many payment methods. And all you need to do is to start enabling payments methods for your store. So as you can see, there is all these built-in or built-in payments methods such as Stripe, Alipay, Ideal, Klarna, and many other payments methods. If you don't find the payments method that you desire, all you need to do is to start integrating these payments method on your WooCommerce. To do so, you will need to go to plugin, and for example, you will need to start add a new plugin and search for the payments that you want or the payments gateway that you are looking for and add it to your WooCommerce. For example, let's do PayPal. So here I'm just going to type PayPal, and basically I want the PayPal to integrate it with WooCommerce. So as we can see here, so let's just wait for the page to load. And as we can see here, there is already some PayPal add-ons or plugins that we can add for WooCommerce. So basically we need just to install it, activate it, and then you will go or do the same as we did at the beginning. Go to settings and go to payments, and you will find PayPal here at the end or any method that you want. And you will need to set up your payments method by connecting your cards, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.